Hello everybody, this is Moses from ZAATARGARDENS, and this is episode 68 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm finishing up harvesting the last bit of my Li Jujube. I'm in Central California, Zone 9B. It's just a beautiful evening right now, so I'm gonna just flip the camera around one moment and just take it all in. This is what I love about gardening. You can see some on the trees still. The rest, right over here. Delicious. Preserved correctly, meaning dried correctly. You could have this in your kitchen, some say for a year to even 2 years, but they don't last that long. There's Lulu. She likes the evenings here as well. Finally, the smoke's clearing up. I thank you to all the CAL FIRE and all the firefighters and volunteer firefighters out there. But it's been a rough year, one after another. Happy gardening, everybody.